Good afternoon. Welcome to my course, and just wanted to give you an overview of how I will set it up for my online class in microeconomics. Basically, I have the main concept in the center of my mind maps, and then from that, I have basic concepts that I want to go over to best describe the main topic. And I usually set these up in order, going clockwise, starting at, say, the 12 o'clock area on the top. And I have these numbered also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So for tracking the U.S. economy, I have it organized into 5 mini segments, of which I will go through each one in my normal lecture. But to give you an idea of how this works, as you can see, I have my 5 areas, and there's pretty much text and images out of all of them except this one, which I actually have a video embedded that you can just click right here and watch a video about the circular flow of money. Pretty neat to be able to do that. Normally, I will be going through the different topics. We'll look at one just to give you an idea how you can set this up. We'll look at 2 ways to measure GDP. And I'll zoom in as I go around my map and discuss, and I have each one actually broken out. So as far as the 2 ways to measure GDP, I have, just waiting on my technology here. 2 approaches, the income approach and the expenditure approach. And what I'll do is I'll go through each one of those, and I found some nice graphics out there that explain both of these very well. And I'll zoom in to where it's a little bit more visible. And I will go through each one of these in detail on my online lesson. And like I said, I've got it broken up into pieces, so I'll do one piece like this one, and then go back and kind of put it all together again, then do the next piece, and continue to do that. So we keep in mind the big picture as well as the individual pieces. But I found a nice graphic here of how you calculate the gross domestic product using the income approach. And I also have this for the expenditure approach. I have a similar graphic. Just trying to pull it up here. So anyway, this is how I would do my lessons. Again, these would take, to do this whole lesson, maybe 10-15 minutes or so, I guess, something like that. I wouldn't want to make them any longer. And maybe even make separate lessons out of each of the different pieces that I have of the topic. So there's different ways I could actually do this, but right now I'm planning on doing it all as one. So again, I can always back out after I finish each of the modules and reinforce how everything relates, because again, we start with the big picture here, and we kind of work around the clock, as you might call it, to each of the pieces to get our hopefully a full understanding of what tracking the economy is all about. So this is a way of presenting information using concept maps. Hope it makes sense and is a benefit to you. Have a good day.